Welcome to Triple H Home Improvement Quick Tips. This is a kitty litter bucket, and this is a kitty litter jug. 20-minute mud and grout and concrete, stuff like that, come in these flimsy little bags. And if they get wet, then it's ruined. So this is how I store my mud, my 20-minute mud, or you can get 45-minute or 90-minute or whatever, or if you have floor patching or anything like that, plus you can recycle a red Solo cup. But I've left this bucket out in the rain in the backyard for 2 or 3 weeks at a time, and the mud is still good. You could use like a 5-gallon bucket to store it in, but if you've dealt with 5-gallon paint buckets, you know that the lids can be a little bit of a pain to get on and off. This is super easy. So this is how I store my 20-minute mud. I can leave it in the back of my truck, don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's pretty awesome. I used to use these, but the problem was getting that bag of mud in that little hole. It would go everywhere. So I came up with a solution for that. And this is grout. I had to write that because this is white grout. I didn't want to mistake it for my mud for patching walls. So you could write on it. You could write 20-minute. There was like 20-minute or something written on here at one point. But anyway, I'm always on the go. I'm always like helping people out and fix stuff. So it's kind of cool. Plus, the cool thing about this is if you want to save space in your garage, it's stackable. If you have a bunch of these, if you have a cat or your grandma has a cat or your crazy cat lady neighbor has cats, ask them if they're getting rid of their buckets or their jugs, if you can have them. Now, the cool thing about the jug, I finally found a solution. If you're in the remodeling business or painting or sheetrock business, you probably have one of these laying around. Or maybe your creepy Uncle Joe's shed, you know. But anyway, what you do is you take this pipe clamp off, you loosen it up. You don't have to take it completely off, just loosen it up. Twist this, pull it right out. Now, okay, I didn't clean this thing out good last time. Now this fits right down in there, like perfect, like snug. Look at that. It holds itself up and everything. And then you just take the mud or the concrete, whatever you have that's bagged up that you want to put in here, dump it in here, tap the sides, it'll go down in there. Super easy. Like I said, the only problem with this before was trying to get the powder or whatever you're trying to get, whether it's concrete, you know, blah, blah, blah. Was getting it into that little hole, which is not super little, but still, if you're trying to dump a whole bag of something in there, it's messy. It could be time consuming. This makes your life so much easier. So don't throw away your old kitty litter jugs or buckets, reuse them. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you again. Bye-bye now.